So happy that I have one. I'm what are you talking about? I mean, whatever you're talking about, you have life, but seriously, stop saying that. You probably just think about like 20 minutes, but I like having life. And I protect, yeah, but not, yeah, but you can express that, but you can't express it by like enjoying those things. I'm so happy that I have life 52 times in a row. Well, not exactly in a row. It's kind of like, um, what was that? No, what, 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 man? What is that? You would know what. Yes, you would. I am. Yeah, what? How? Because Mercury doesn't sound like this. Doesn't sound like that. Um, I want to nurture you. This is one. What are you doing next to Mercury? Oh, just gonna do this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Demon. What? Get jerk. What? Let me go into the I am so happy that I have what tastes different. Oh, hey, Mars. What do you go to? Nothing. Nothing. I was listening for here. That's the typical, yeah, typical stuff. Wait, where's your hemisphere? Gas giants can out of hemispheres. Yes, they can. No, they can. Yes, they can. Look, if you have an hemisphere, well, how am I supposed to know? I was flying around all day. All I do is just sit here thinking what's over my moon. How is it that? Okay. Tomorrow, or I was just gonna go sleep with Spanish doing. Anyways, God, Jesus, the turn. Yeah. So happy that I have life. Hey, hey, Earth. Hey, Mom. What's going on, dude? Nothing. Nothing. Sounds like something. Your voice was glitching for a bit. Glitchy? Nah. Glitches only happen in games. Games? Yeah, games. Never heard of them? Yeah, I have, but why? Because they're simulations. All games are simulations, except for when they're simulated in real life. Well, they're simulated in real life, and there has to be glitches too, right? Glitches can't happen in real life. Oh yeah, you're right. Well, anyway, Bubbles, Dangles, what was that? What did that mean? How can that even hurt? It's literally 1 centimeter. What? 1 centimeters an atom compared to other planets, even asteroids. Yeah, but aren't planets 1 centimeter? No, they're 0.17 planks long. Eight? Are they like wood? No, not that kind of plank. PLANCK. It's spelled plank. Oh my god. Don't get it eventually. I hope so. I'm gonna go see what Mercury's doing. Mercury, 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 where'd you go? I think he's gone. No, there must be something else. Venus must have pushed him into the sun, and the sun to Venus. How did you know? What? That's valid. Anyways, can you remember me? No. Why not? Because I don't want to. But, uh, well, there's nothing you can do to change it. So, there has to be a way we can fix this. We can't just stay here forever. We can't just stay here, uh, together. Yeah, we can't just stay here without Venus and Mercury. I mean, we can't stay here without Mercury at least. I bet if Venus was a ghost and he was listening to us and conversating right now, he would be like, I heard that, but we wouldn't be able to hear because of the ghost. Shut up. Right. What should I do today? Oh, I know. The Uranus on board. And Uranus. Oh no, not again. Uranus is tilted. My God, Daddy, you said that 15,000 times. Can you just stop it already? Get back here too. Ow! Jupiter, Uranus hit Uranus. He was making fun of me again. Can't you ever? Never hit Saturn. Thank you, Jupiter. No problem. Anyways, I'm just gonna go back to sleep now. Hey, Nick. Hey, Nick. Leave me alone, Saturn. Why? Because you made Jupiter kick Uranus out of the solar system. He's terribly for hitting me. He hit you for a reason. Why did he hit you then? Because you were making fun of him, idiot. Um, making fun of him. I was just analyzing him. Are you stupid? You always do anyway. They. Oh, yes, you do. See you bully Uranus every day. Like, you didn't do Uranus. Like, put that out already. Well, never underestimate the standard. Do you have stores allowed in Jupiter? The biggest gas giant is allowed. That doesn't make any sense for okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to sleep. I think sleepy even. Yep. I'm looking to see with how loud Jupiter really is. But no, Earth will die because eerily. Um, this is the third day in space anyway. Well, except for us, but still. If Olaf could just run in the asteroid belt without getting hurt. Hmm. Oh, that's an idea. I'll just go around. Oh, wait, I can't go around the asteroid belt. That's cute, that's better. Yes. Oh, strong, like, please. Thank you. Okay, so this whole batch of asteroids over here. Okay, that should be big enough space for you to fit it. Thank you, Mars. You're welcome. I guess. There we go. What do you want, Earth? Nothing. And why start holding the answers? I consider my path. I did it for them, but you can't do it themselves. Mars. Whatever. I just whatever, please. Wait, you get out of here now? What's the worst that can happen? I told you, but you wouldn't just listen to me. Just have to go in there. It's not my fault. I didn't know to put a snore down loudly. And he's not even self-aware. He's never self-aware. Good point. I don't have any point. You get what I mean? No, I don't. Meanwhile, Jupiter again. While snoring. Wait, what? Oh. Pretty fine. That's rare. Then I might want to stay here until Jupiter stops snoring. Like it's sleepy. Because every time space just has stores loud and rich. Like not just why there's the stores quiet as Mercury at least. Wait, I don't know how Mercury's dying story. I can still hear his snores. Just barely.